Hi guys, how are you all today? I hope you're doing great. Miss Candace misses you. And today we're going to talk about some math. I know, isn't that exciting? Today we're going to talk about math and we're going to talk about coins again. And the last time we were together, we talked about...
Coins?
Do you remember what this is? Do you remember what this is?
Coin?
This is called a penny. This is a penny. And does anybody remember how much a penny is worth? A penny is worth 1 cent. So if a penny's worth 1 cent, how much do we count them by when we count them? That's right, we count them by ones. So I have some pennies here in front of me, and we're going to see if we count them. So if I have 1 penny, how much do I have? 1 cent. Good job. What if I have this many pennies? How many do I have? How many cents do I have?
2.
Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. 3 cents. Now, what if I have all of these pennies? Let's see if we can count them. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 cents. I hope you've been practicing counting your pennies. But today we're going to practice a new coin. We're going to talk about a new coin. Today our coin is... Does anybody know what this is? Think about it for a minute. Those are some good guesses. Those are some good guesses. This is a nickel. This is a nickel. And this says all about coins, nickels. What do you want to tell me?
What is coins?
Yeah, those are pennies.
Oh.
These are nickels. And a nickel is worth how much? Not 1 cent, but 5 cents. And when we count nickels, we count them by... What do you think? 5s. And guess what? We've been practicing counting by 5s. I hope you've been practicing at home so you're still good at it. But we can count by 5s when we count nickels. And this is a nickel. This is what a nickel looks like. And there's 2 different ones. An older one and a newer one. These are nickels. They're a little bit bigger than a penny. See, they're a little bigger, and they're a different color than a penny. What color is that? It's silver. Those are nickels. And we count them by, what do we count them by? You're right, 5s. First, Miss Candace is going to start off by reading you this story. All about coins. Nickels. Nickels. And it starts with a table of contents, and that tells us a little bit what's going to be in the book. This is a nickel. See? A nickel is a coin worth 5 cents. How much is it worth? 5 cents. And this is the front, and this is the back. Good. President Thomas Jefferson is on the front of the nickel. He was the 3rd president of the United States. So this man is Thomas Jefferson. He was one of our presidents.
Wow!
I know. President Jefferson was put on the nickel in 1938, a long time ago, to honor his many achievements as one of our nation's founding fathers. So he was one of the men who helped make America.
Mommy, what nickel? Nickel?
Why are nickels bigger than dimes?
What
When coins were first made in 1793, a dime was made of silver at the size equal to its actual value. If a nickel had been made of the real value in silver, it would be too small. So this was a penny, this is a dime, this is a quarter, and this is a nickel.
There you go, Mommy.
Instead, nickels are made of metals called nickel and copper. So now it's made of nickel and copper. Nickels are made of nickel and copper. Nickels are made at the United States Mint. And this is the building that all the coins and the money are made at. How much is a nickel worth? How much did we say? Not 1 cent, but 5 cents. So here is a page full of nickels. And there are, how many nickels on there?
1,
There's 20 nickels on there. And do you know how much 20 nickels is worth? Do you think you can help me count by fives? And let's find out. Okay, ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And in cents and money, when we are counting our coins, when we get to 100 cents is $1. So 20 nickels is equal to $1. Isn't that cool? Ooh, let's see how much this is. These are 5 nickels, and 5 nickels equal 1 quarter. So we would count them by, what do we count them by? Fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 5 nickels is 1 quarter.
Mommy, I got this one. What this one?
2 nickels is worth 1 dime. So we count them by fives. 5, 10. It's the same as a dime. And 1 nickel is 5 pennies. So 5 is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't that cool? During the 1960s, you could buy a scoop of ice cream for just 1 nickel. Wouldn't that be cool? Now it costs a lot of nickels to buy ice cream. In 1931, there was a shortage of coins, so the wooden nickel was created, and it was used for a short time. Now, wooden nickels are used as souvenirs and prize tokens. So a long time ago, there was nickels made out of wood. Wouldn't that be cool? Maybe somebody in your family has one. Nickels used to look different than they do today. This is a nickel from the early 1900s, known as a buffalo nickel.
This one.
That's a penny, yeah. Some people like to collect these old coins, and maybe somebody in your family has one. This is called a buffalo nickel because it had a Native American on the front and a buffalo on the back. It was a buffalo nickel. Do you think maybe that's why they called it a buffalo nickel? Because it had a buffalo on it. Good job. Put your nickels and other coins in piggy banks and watch how quickly your savings can grow. So even though coins like pennies and nickels aren't worth a lot of money, they can add up together to make money. So save them all in your piggy banks. Good. And what was this called again? Do you remember what it's called? A nickel. And how much is a nickel worth? What do we say? A nickel is worth 5 cents. And we count them by fives. Good job. So let's see if we can count these. So if we have 1 nickel, that would be 5. So what if we have 3 nickels? Let's take a minute and see if you can count them. 3 nickels. What do we count them by? We count them by fives. 5, 10, 15. Good job. We count them by fives. Good. Now, what if we add some more nickels? What if we have 5 nickels? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Good job. Now, let's see if we have this many. Good. So let's see if we can count them by fives. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. That's 50 cents. Now, I would like for you all to try to practice counting some nickels, and we count them by fives, and try to practice counting some pennies. What do we count pennies by? Ones. Good job, guys. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.